Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious soup. First, gather your fresh ingredients, ensuring they are high quality for the best flavor profile. Next, select a good broth or stock. This will be the foundation of your soup. Then, prepare your vegetables by washing and chopping them into uniform pieces, which helps them cook evenly. This initial preparation is key to a successful and flavorful soup. Once your ingredients are prepped, it's time to build flavor. Begin by sautéing aromatics such as onions, carrots, and celery in a large pot with 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they are fragrant and softened. Next, add any harder vegetables, allowing them to cook for a few minutes before incorporating softer ones. Finally, pour in your chosen broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and let the flavors meld together for at least 20 minutes. As your soup simmers, it's crucial to perfect the seasoning. Start with a pinch of salt and pepper, then taste and adjust as needed, remembering you can always add more but cannot remove it. For a burst of freshness, stir in fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro just before serving. If your soup is too thick, add a bit more broth. If too thin, you can simmer it longer or add a cornstarch slurry. These steps ensure a perfectly balanced and delicious final product. Now for the best part, serving your homemade soup. Ladle it into bowls and consider adding a garnish like fresh croutons, a swirl of cream, or a sprinkle of cheese. Enjoy it immediately with some crusty bread for a comforting meal. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making for easy future meals. And hey, while you're enjoying your delicious soup, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.